So our next team up is A2CT. So come on up, A2CT.
Hello, esteemed panel, guests, and talented Nanovation teams. We are ACT, and today we are introducing our nanotech product, the Pipe Protector. The members of our team are Ariella, Adeline, Camille, and Talia.
The Metropolitan Water District that supplies everyone in Southern California's water must shut down every year to deal with one problem, quagga mussels. Not only does it cost them loads of time and money, the solutions don't last very long, and so they have to continually shut down every year and spend these large amounts of money over mechanical scraping, drying out the water, and manual labor. For reference, it costs about $7 to $10 million to fix annually. And next thing. Additionally, they spread very rapidly, so they have to shut down every year to prevent clogging.
Our solution to deal with this problem is the Pipe Protector, a multi-layered anti-fouling coating that stops mussels from attaching to pipes. It prevents up to 98% of mussel attachment, which will greatly improve the health and safety of LA residents. It is a thin, multi-layered nano coating that repels quagga mussels using hydrophilic technology. It consists of 3 specialized layers. The top layer is a PSBMA zwitterionic hydrophilic coating that attracts water and forms a tight barrier. The mussels cannot have direct contact with the pipe, and they can't displace the water to form the footprint. The middle layer is potassium chloride, a mild mollicide encapsulated in LGA nanoparticles, and if any mussels get past the first layer, the middle section releases potassium chloride, KCI, a mild mollicide, and kills the mussel before it reaches the pipe. The bottom layer is a selenium primer that bonds these top 2 layers to the metal pipeline using APTES and GPTMS, cured at 80 to 100 degrees Celsius. This ensures durability and strength even in high-flow water.
Okay, so with our solution, they do not have to shut down annually. Our solution is meant to be a long-lasting nano coating that will only need to be maintained with cleanings every 3 to 4 years. Additionally, what they use are flat blades, which aren't very effective. So with ours, it actually is effective. They save a lot of time and, of course, money. And having to shut down every year can affect drinking water availability, industrial water supplies, and irrigation deliveries. With our solution, that won't be a problem. Additionally, our solution is eco-friendly, so you won't have to worry about having any poisonous chemicals in your water supply. It's also easy to apply.
Okay, so our manufacturing application process first consists of our selenium primer containing APTES and GPTMS is dissolved in ethanol and water. A cross-linkable acrylic resin is added to provide structural durability and water resistance. PLG nanoparticles loaded with KCI are dispersed into the coating to create a controlled mollicide release. PSBMA is added as a hydrophilic zwitterionic anti-fouling component on the top. An AIBN is introduced as the heat-activated curing initiator. The coating is spray applied inside industrial pipelines. During drying and curing, the coating self-stratifies and the salines migrate toward the pipe wall. The PLGA nanoparticles remain embedded in the middle, and PSBMA migrates toward the water-facing surface. The heat-curing IBN accelerates saline cross-linking, and the final coating contains all of the layers, as mentioned earlier.
This is our 5-year plan. At the first year, we will be doing lab research and feasibility studies. And then when we move into our second year, we will have our first client, the Metropolitan Water District of Southern California, and we will begin application. In the beginning of the third year, we will finish application, and we will not have to replace this for many years. And then the compound will hold till we need to replace it, and then additional research after it is out in the field we'll conduct to troubleshoot and fix any problems that may occur.
Quagga mussels are wreaking havoc on water infrastructure, costing millions every year. Current solutions like scraping and using heavy chemicals, having filtration systems that allow smaller organisms to pass through, and having multiple shutdowns don't work and only add to the problem. The pipe protector changes the game. It's highly effective, cost-efficient, and sustainable, making it the ideal solution for water utilities, government agencies, and industries alike. To bring the pipe protector to life, we've mapped out our approach in 4 key steps. We start by confirming the silane primer bonds securely to existing pipeline coatings. Then we apply the hydrophilic top coat to create a water barrier that prevents mussels from attaching. Next, we will refine the application and curing process for consistency. Finally, we will test the full system in small-scale trials to ensure it performs under real-world conditions with limited biofilm cleaning every few years.
In year 1, we are asking for a total of $2,842,000 for making the chemical compound testing and all worker pay. Usually, as stated before, they already pay $7 to $10 million annually to remove all the quagga mussels, but this does not work, or removing all of them. And so we ask for $15 million to pay it, and then that will result in a $12 million profit per client. Thank you for listening to our proposal.
So thank you for that excellent presentation. I actually have a company that coats medical devices using similar technology that prevents infections.
Amazing.
So I like this idea, but the hardest part is getting this coating to stick to the pipes. So tell us what the pipes are made of, and just go through a little bit of how you're going to get it to stick to the pipes.
Okay, so what we use to stick to the pipes is our side. Oh, yes. Just hold it up. Okay, sorry. Okay. Okay. Our nano coating uses a silane primer to hold the KCI onto the metal pipeline wall, and from our studies, we found that most of the metal pipelines are made of steel or other kinds of heavy-duty industrial pipe materials. Yeah, metals, and yeah.
Will you need to roughen the surface before you apply the primers?
We would have to just clean off biofilm from pre-existing mussels. After that, it should be clean enough for us to apply our coating.
And what are some of the pipes plastic that are used today?
No,
No,
they're all metal.
Okay. Great, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm always interested in what draws young people to any topic. So how did you decide to embrace this issue?
So one of our science teachers actually went on a tour at the district and was introduced to this issue, and she talked about it to us, and we thought it was so fascinating and also such a full issue that really needed to be addressed. So we just suddenly felt like a connection. We were just like, I don't know, yeah.
That's very enthusiastic. I had one point though for future when you do things like this. Your business plan doesn't have your team name, and you're so fabulous that I want to be able to find you in the future, and I can't, and because it's not there. So it's just a sort of a housekeeping note for you guys. Always have your name, your team, and how we get to you, your future employers.
Thank you so much.
Hi guys, thank you for the excellent presentation. One thing I would like to push back gently on is I noticed in your business plan you guys have a planned hiring sequence, right? Like I think I saw you guys intend to hire, 10, 12, 14, hires initially, and I just want to gently push back on that, where when you're starting off on a very early stage company, you really want to keep these teams very, very lean. And realistically, hiring that many people is unsustainable unless you get immense levels of funding.
I don't know what we're going to do if the groups continue to look so professional and polished. And I mean, really, good job. I need to be educated a little bit because I just do spreadsheets. That's what I'm good at. When you apply this, the pipes are already in service, correct?
So actually, they're shut down for like a duration of about 2 to 3 weeks every year, and that's when we plan on going in, as we won't be disturbing any workflow.
Well, there you go. Thank you.
Amazing.
For the sake of time, we're going to continue to the next presentation. So good job. Thank you.